Hi, I'm John, and in this video I will show you how you can clean some slime from a carpet. Let's jump in.
I'll first show you the before and after, and then how I cleaned it. So the carpet has some pink slime on it. It's a Nickelodeon Liquid Lava Putty. It's really sticky and a bit dried up already.
So this is the area of the carpet which had the slime on it, and after rinsing with some water, I would say it's pretty much all gone, or at least it's not visible anymore. So this method of cleaning really does work.
For this cleanup process I'm using a regular household item, so this is some 10% vinegar. I'm also using some shampoo and a sponge and a brush for scrubbing. I started by pouring a small amount of vinegar on the slime spot to cover the area, then added some shampoo. You could let the vinegar sit for a few minutes, but we started scrubbing right away and just repeated this process of adding vinegar and shampoo and scrubbing, and also cleaning the brush and the sponge with some water in between. Scrubbing this slime stain took me maybe around 15 minutes. I ended up cleaning the whole carpet, and that took me maybe a total of 1 hour. But here you can see the process of scrubbing this one slime stain in 8x speed and how it turned out. So at the end you can see the clean carpet.
Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. You can see that now after rinsing the carpet there is no slime stain visible anymore here. I also have a lot of other home do-it-yourself videos, like bike repair videos and car repair videos. So if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.